I did notice on some of these Savoy cabbages this morning that we've got a bit of a problem. Once again with aphids underneath your leaves. It's where they like to hide. The majority of this plant hasn't got anything on it, but these lower leaves have got a bit of an infestation. And because I don't really need those leaves anymore, I'm just going to take them off, throw them away. Because we're going to be repotting this soon anyway. But we'll also give that a blast with a bit of soapy water, and that will get rid of those aphids. So when sun comes out and it gets a little bit warmer, you need to keep your eye on every plant that you've got, because these aphids appear all of a sudden and there'll be millions of them. So because we've been growing these plants all the way through winter, we don't want to lose them for the sake of not just having a little look now and again. We need to deal with these. If through season you see anything that needs attention, my advice is do it straight away. Because if you don't, you'll forget. And when you get things like this happening, all those aphids sat under leaves of your plants, they're just basically sat there draining all goodness from these plants that you spent all that time growing. So the quicker you get rid, the better off this plant's going to be. And what I've done is I've got a little spray bottle and I've put about a teaspoon of washing up liquid in it. Then filled it up with normal water and given it a bit of a shake. And then we can treat this plant. Best way to do it is to just tip it upside down, because that's where you're going to see the majority of those bugs, and then just spray under these leaves. And you'll notice as you do that, a lot of them are going to get blasted away. And 9 times out of 10, they won't bother trying to get back on. But the ones that stay on are basically going to get poisoned. So spray the bottom, spray all that top, making sure you cover every leaf. And then spray around the bottom and that stem. And that's that plant done. One thing to bear in mind when you do that at any time of year, don't ever put that plant back in direct sunlight, otherwise you'll scorch all those leaves. So just pop it somewhere in shade for a while. And then because you've got more than one plant, the chances are they've all got a bit of something on them. So do every single plant. You're not going to hurt your plants doing this. If you've got bottom leaves like that don't look too good, you can pinch those off. You're not going to need them. So I'll just take some away. Again, spray top of that compost and all around that stem. Even if you can't see anything, chances are there's summit there. So just to be on the safe side, treat everything for the sake of a few seconds. At least you've got peace of mind. And again, out at sunlight. It's just one of those things that you're going to have to do all through here. Because once these temperatures pick up, that sort of thing never ends. So especially when we get into spring, every single day, check your plants. And thank you to everybody who's joined this channel. The new ones and the old from last year. We've just gone over 3,000 subscribers. And I could not appreciate that more. So thank you very much for that. And I'll see you on the next video.